If people watch your content but never interact, you are probably doing this wrong. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is thinking engagement only means likes and comments. But real engagement is much deeper than that. The first mistake is not responding to your audience. When someone takes the time to connect to you, to comment on your content, and you ignore it, you're missing a huge opportunity. Every reply builds connection and tells the platform that your content is worth discussing. The second mistake is not giving viewers a reason to interact. Many creators posting content but forget to ask questions or invite opinions. You should include engagement questions on your caption and on your comment section. If you want engagement, you have to guide the conversation. Another big mistake is focusing only on posting more content instead of building relationships. You can post every day, but if you never interact with your audience or with other creators, growth will never be yours. There's also the mistake of replying with generic responses like thank you, enjoy, lovely, congratulations, good job, or emojis only. These responses often stop the conversation, but when you ask follow-up question, you keep the interaction going longer. Especially if you already answered the question, the comment section, then you make another follow-up question that would really linger your audience to your comment section. If you're already active in your community, commenting on other posts, joining conversations, and supporting other creators, people are much more likely to engage with your content. The truth is, engagement isn't just a metric. It's a conversation. And the creators who considered this that way are the ones who grow faster.